I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of I Know Lee, and it is officially 2018. So starting off the new year, I'm actually going to grow out my taper cut. I started last year, I'm not gonna lie. So I have like a pretty nice length on it, but to grow it out, I'm going to protective style quite a bit. So you guys will be seeing wigs and clip-ins a lot more on my channel to aid in a quicker growth process. So this wig is actually from Myfirstwig, and I freaking love it. I really hope that my hair actually kind of looks like this closer to the end of the year, which is goals that I do think that I can achieve. So we're actually going to get into how I styled this wig, how I shaped this wig, and the actual install process. I know, right? All of that in one video. Let's watch. When I got my box in the mail, it literally contained all of the specs, 2 wig caps, an afro pick, flyaway tamer, another baggie with bobby pins, clips, a rat tail comb, and an elastic band to sew on if you wanted to. So here's what the wig looked like fresh out of the box. And I know it doesn't seem that cute, but trust me, it's going to come along. So the first thing that I did with it was I kind of misted it with water. I didn't get it soaking wet, but I definitely made sure that it was moist, and then I detangled it with my dimming brush. As you can see, the dimming brush just glides right through. And then I used some of my curly magic to really help define the curls. And let me tell you, sis, these curls were popping when I finished. So after I applied the curly magic gel, I just ran the dimming brush through the hair maybe 1 or 2 times, and then I let it dry. The curls are gonna get tighter as it dries. Then I grabbed this flyaway tamer, which literally looks like deodorant, and I just applied it to the middle section because I wanted that to lay down and not be frizzy. After it dried, here is the curl definition, and as you can see, the curls are beautiful, they are defined, and they have not been picked out at this point. So I am going to do that prior to actually putting on the wig. Inside of the wig, it contains 3 clips and an adjustable strap, and just to show you, it is full lace, so that means you're going to get scalp all the way around. Now it is time to apply the wig, and I sewed on the elastic band, so I'm solely going to use that to secure the wig. After I get it in a nice spot, I'm just going to flip it backwards and pin the 1 clip that is in the back. I'm not going to use the clips on the side. And initially, I mean, even just putting it on without even really picking it out or adjusting it, it's pretty cute. But we're going to do some more work to it to get it to where it needs to be, as beautiful and fluffy as it is in the beginning of the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just grab some household scissors. I didn't have any shears, I'm sorry, and I'm going to go through and basically shape the wig to kind of frame my face and give it that nice rounded heart-shaped look, which is just, it just looks better on me. It's beautiful on me. Going back into my kit, I am going to take out my handy dandy afro pick, and I'm just going to go to work on this wig, fluffing it, adding as much volume as I possibly can, especially kind of like in the bang area, because I wanted that area to look very natural. And guys, oh my god, the wig is coming together and it is so beautiful. So I'm going to use a bit more of that flyaway tamer again, just in the middle, because I wanted it to give me a realistic kind of part or separation. And if you work that product in, that kind of white cast does fade away. And side note, Myfirstwig has just launched lashes. They have silk and mink lashes, and so I'm just going to apply these to kind of finish the look. Yeah, I got a little hair on the lash, but we're not gonna worry about that. So I just popped on my 2 lashes, and they live. I'm not going to lie. Fluffing the hair, this is it. I'm having fun, I know. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure that you subscribe. Please check the description bar below for all of the details regarding the wig and where you can get it and what products I use, so forth and so on. Check down below. Also, shout out to these amazing lashes. Yes, my first wig now has lashes, and let me tell you, they are bomb. They're hella soft. They feel like the hair. I don't even know how to explain it. But you guys have to check them out. I'll leave that link below. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.